Hey guys, I'm sorry I'm a bit late, but I just got this beauty, the new GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. It came out a couple of days ago and we got the Gainward Phoenix GS model, which is the a bit overclocked model from Gainward. So let's open it up and see what's inside. The box is quite big, so I guess the card will be big as well. As you can see, I'm almost to the top of my top-down camera setup. So here is the box. A box inside the box. Okay, let's open it up a bit more. Gainward leaflet, product certification and stuff, and some foam padding, of course. A cable, double 6-pin to 8-pin, and the card itself. I guess nothing else in the box, so let's throw it away and check the card. So as you can see, it's quite big, really big. Here it is. 3 fans, 2 8-pin connectors, which for the actual TDP it has, it's quite a lot. On the back we have 1, 2, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Backplate, most likely plastic, and as you can see right here, these are holes, and the air from the third fan goes right through the holes and it's just thrown away. So the cooling should be quite nice. These are all the fins and stuff. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe more heat pipes, so it's quite a lot. And this, on the other hand, is aluminum. And here, 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 and here there are RGB LEDs, so it glows or whatever you set in the software they provide. Quite big and massive card. It's a 3-slot card. And that's about it, guys. We'll check the performance as usual and see how it goes. But I've seen some reviews and it seems quite nice. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comments and we'll do our best to reply. Also, please subscribe, like and stuff, so this will help us give you fresh unboxing of recent hardware and such. Thank you very much. Bye!